How would you imagine the future to look like? Bright, dynamic, full of surprises? Dubai's Museum of the Future is all that and much more. When we hear the word museum, well, most of us might visualize the rusty artifacts and exhibits from the bygone past. The Museum of the Future is changing that notion about museums. This museum helps you embark on a journey to the unpredictable future. The museum reportedly takes the visitors on an experiential journey, transporting them to the year 2071 to coincide with the century of the founding of the UAE. So what does the inside of this Museum of the Future look like? The Museum of the Future in Dubai was recently thrown open to the public. It was inaugurated by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE, in February of this year. The striking 78-meter-high structure in downtown Dubai has 7 floors and spans an area of 30,000 square meters. Each floor will resemble a futuristic film set with which visitors can explore and interact. The objective of the place is, its makers say, to act as an incubator for scientists, thinkers, and researchers to bring their bold ideas and visions of the future to life. The attractions in the museum are divided into 5 chapters. Visitors are greeted by a monumental atrium, bathed in the warm glow of the gentle light emanating from the Museum of the Future's now iconic and beautiful Arabic calligraphy. Throughout the building, the calligraphy panels serve as a connection to the outer world. The script is illuminated by 8.5 miles of LED lighting after dark. Once you've taken all the sights of the interiors in the lobby, hop onto a drop pod that'll take you to the first chapter, which is on the 5th floor. Before getting into the pod, do not forget to take a pause at the cafeteria and wave at the robot barista. Chapter 1 of your tour is a space expedition where you'll be taken to outer space, which is 370 miles above the Earth, to a space station in the outer reaches of the galaxy, OSS Hope in 2071, exploring how human beings are at the forefront of space technology. It includes a shuttle simulation, with all the realistic sounds and processes followed during a real space shuttle takeoff. You'll get to enjoy the aerial views of Dubai as well as outer space through the panels of the shuttle. Chapter 2 takes visitors to the Heal Institute, where you'll be welcomed with a view of futuristic Dubai, possibly in 2071. The Heal Institute uses advanced augmented reality and virtual reality technologies to give you a preview of the genetically modified digital Amazon forest. Then there's the DNA Vault, which is named the Library of Life. Here you'll find more than 2,000 species locked in glass jars, where you can see even the minute details. After that, you'll head to Chapter 3, Al-Waha. Al-Waha, or Oasis in English, is a series of experiences that could heal your mind and the body. Experience Zen like never before at Al-Waha. The interaction galleries in the Al-Waha Wellness Area offer a selection of treatments and therapies, encouraging us to switch off, disconnect, and tune into other personal well-being. This futuristic spa has more different experiences in store for you, such as making you feel like walking on a beach. Some can be done within a group, while others require you to go alone. Chapter 4 celebrates the technological revolution of the future, aptly named Tomorrow Today. The second level in the museum showcases global tech innovations that could help change our world. This chapter also highlights how researchers, designers, etc. are reacting to the technological advancements of the present time and how technology can be used to shape a better future. The floor lets you enter the viewing deck, which takes you outside through the inner shell of the museum. The view from the deck is spectacular. With so much tech stuff to take in, you might soon find yourself needing some sustenance. The last chapter, which is located on the first floor, is a dedicated futuristic play space for kids, where your little ones are encouraged to explore and play through 3 experiences: imagine, design, and build. Children are engaged via interactive play and can go on missions and earn badges along the way. Rather than being a museum in the limited traditional sense, the Museum of the Future is more of a laboratory designed to foster innovation among leading scientists in the region and beyond. And after finishing your tour, you'll surely have an experience of a lifetime. So what are your thoughts on this extraordinary museum? Let us know in the comments. I'll see you at another time in another video. Stay in the loop.